Hi, welcome to the Scrapyard. I just want to start out with a shop card shout out to KR, Fine Research Design, KRD. It's an awesome shop he's got over there. I mean, he did one to ones, Mopars, mainly, but he does some awesome models too. Um, he's his channel just getting started. I encourage everybody to go over there and check him out. And it's at KRD12K. Is his call out on YouTube. His channel's Klein Racecar Design. You can check it out. And he does awesome work. You won't regret it. I'd hoped to get a little bit more done on the dragster today. Well, I did get a little more done, but not as much as I wanted to. Um, Something that's out of character for me. You're going to hear me complain about the post office. I know everybody has different experience with the post office, but they, I had an order in to Amazon for some 1/2 millimeter and 1 millimeter brass rod stock, and it's supposed to come yesterday. I mean, come today. That's how come I've been putting off the shop card shout out because I've had his card a couple of days, but I've been waiting for my parts to come in so I could hopefully have a little bit more progress on this. But anyway, one package arrived. Package, not really a package. Just put a yeah, one of these of in a one of them flimsy little white envelopes, and well, this was the half millimeter. Uh, it got bent. No big deal. It straightened out pretty easy. It's been something thick. I've been kind of upset, but the 1 millimeter, well, it's showing as delivered, but damned if I can find it. It's not in the mail room anywhere. It's not in the mail room, not in my mailbox. So there's that. So I hope it'll come tomorrow. But what I was needing those for, well, I was needing the 1/2 millimeter because I wanted something sturdier than styrene, especially in that size for my um, what you call it, the control arm, not control arms, but the yeah wishbones, whatever you want to call them, man. That come from the part of your front suspension. uh, but anyway, I was wanting this. I got the smaller ones, and they're gonna look pretty good. But I needed the 1 inch for a couple other. I mean, the 1 millimeter for a couple other braces on here. I did get some done today though. Last night I spent some time going around and I put spring goo in some of the more obvious, just butt joints or whatever. Didn't look good, and I smoothed some of those out. Uh, there for a while, I thought I might have done more harm than good. And then I put the mounting plates for my control arms. But that's all I've got done on the dragster today. So just a little small shout out and update, and a shout out to KRD. Hope everybody is enjoying the weekend so far, and I'll try to get out some kind of update soon. Like, subscribe, share. Um, None of that costs any money. Maybe like quote Dan the man. I mean, or is that Don? But anyway, y'all have a good one. Thanks. Bye.